Welcome to Reflective 23 Designs laser engraving videos. Hope everybody's having a decent day or a good day out there. And this particular material is what I call almost like a backing board. It's the very thin material that's on the back, like dressers and things like that. This was inside of some, I might have been inside of drawers from a vanity or something like that. So this material is a little tricky because the stuff does not like to stay flat. It's very thin. I think it's like maybe a mil, maybe like 2 mil thick, something like that, 1.5 millimeter to 2 millimeters thick, something around that point. I didn't actually measure the thickness of it with the caliper or anything like that. But this is a requested one. Somebody asked me if I would do this, and so I decided to, yeah, sure, why not? I'll do it. You know, it's had some issues with it, but finally got to engrave. It's, it's not too bad on this material. I think it came out alright, so, but yeah, I added a little bit to it, as if I could put some hearts and stuff in it, so decided to do that. But yeah, there's another point of what I'm going to do here, what I have going on besides the laser engraving. I kind of build and create things like the laser enclosure. I have actually a video projector that I wanted a movie screen a certain way, so I had to make the whole setup for that. I had to make a handful of coolers, so the AC setup for the laser enclosure, just a bunch of different things. So I have this other side. I started kind of playing around, made some name tags, name plates for it and everything, called Bremer Industries. So there might be a video or so comes up from that. It's just going to be probably maybe a parody or something. Be kind of smart about it, because I've just made so many different things that I couldn't buy. They just aren't out in the market. Like the movie screen, can't find that. It's a folding screen, goes on a tripod, takes about, I think, like a minute to set it up, but they don't make it. It's not out there. So I don't know why. Just like the little cooler for the projector, had to make that. Actually, that modded, I became that something else. AC, 10,000 BCU AC into portable AC into laser enclosure, all kinds of stuff. So, and of course, this particular one, the AC unit, AC was used for the cooling. I usually run at about 60. I was doing 675 at first, took it down to 72, then 70. I said, let me just get hold in there. We don't have any issues at all with heating up or anything. And now having it where I run it usually about 65 to 67 has been great. Having any kickoffs, because there was earlier problems where I'd be engraving in the heat just to make the laser stop working and stop functioning. So, but there's a handful of things to keep it going now. But yeah, so like I said, I'm not sure, because with all the things I got going on with the, this channel and the other channels I do video production for, it's kind of a tricky deal. But at some point, not sure, that Bremer Industries, there's going to be a video or so that'll pop up on that. It's going to be the midweek one, just trying to come up with something funny, trying to get together. Got the stuff in my head, but got to get in video. So this one's rolling up on the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye bye.